Hello everybody, we are going to assemble this clipper, this wall clipper. So when you have disassembled everything, you will need this screwdriver. And take a look, it should be it should look like a plus sign from the cross section. It looks like this. Actually, I suggest all of you to have this set. I'm not sponsored by any company, so I will not name any company, but in general you should have a set of this screwdrivers. These are not big ones, these are very small ones, although I must clarify that these will not help you in disassembling your mobile phone, although it will help you in assembling and disassembling your laptops and even computer and desktops. So first of all, you will need to put, if you can see these two grooves, you will need to put these two fangs, fangs or whatever in this one, like this. Put them, you make them fit and make sure they don't escape this, and you press them here. Again, make sure that these two fangs or the wires are in the grooves. If you can see this, it should be like this. Put them here very tightly. If you can see this, should not misalign themselves, and apply the force while you are putting this clipper. This is steel clipper. You should not let the steel plate that was beneath this, and this one should not escape. And although I made a mistake, or intentionally, just to show you, and I disassembled my screwdriver. You should not do that. Before taking the task, make sure that this one is in alignment. This screwdriver, this plate, everything. I am unable to. Yeah, finally. And once one of the screw is fit, you can do the other one with very little force. All you have to do is to just twist it, and your clipper is ready. I don't know why it looks like I have made a mistake, but there is no mistake. It is a little bit away from the edge. There will be some margin in the support, this little margin. Do not get disheartened or get confused that you have made a mistake. It is like this, and let's test this whether it works or not. So it works. This is how you assemble your clipper. And once again, I suggest you all to have this set of screwdriver. It does not matter which brand. All you need to do is to have a wide variety of screwdrivers.